So in the last episode, I taught you guys all about how to insert a tampon, but I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions. So let's do a countdown. This is 4, 3, 2, 1. All your questions about tampons answered. Number 1, can your tampon get lost? No, there is literally no place for it to go. It can't enter your cervix because the hole is so tiny that the tampon won't fit. Now sometimes it may get a bit lodged if the string that you use to remove gets wrapped around. Not a big deal. Just relax, breathe, and use your finger to slowly access it. Number 2, are you still a virgin if you use the tampon? Of course, using a tampon has absolutely nothing to do with your hymen or your virginity. In very rare cases, the hymen may chip a little bit from a tampon use, but like I said, super rare. Overall, your virginity and sexual intercourse, nothing to do with your tampon. Number 3, can you still go to the bathroom? Of course. I mean, unless you're like a camel and can hold all of that in, going to the bathroom does not affect your tampon. And last but not least, number 4, can your tampon ever get stuck? Absolutely not. Once the tampon is inserted, your vaginal muscles do contract to hold on to the tampon. It keeps it all in place. Now, when it's time to remove it, that's the only time the tampon will come out. Now, if you feel a little resistance when that's happening, it's probably because your absorbency level is too high for the amount of blood flow. So you may want to switch that, or you may want to wait till it has absorbed a little bit more blood. Same thing, can a tampon just fall out? Not gonna happen. All right, girls, that is it for today, but you better know what to do, and that is clicking the button below and subscribing to the channel where I will bring you a bunch of information all about your periods and women's health overall. I'll see you guys later.